Hey, welcome Sexy Graphics. My name is CGRich6. Today we are continuing with our program of building our beautiful software for pharmacy inventory. Please make sure you hit subscribe button, like and comment. If you got any inconvenience in this tutorial, please just comment down. We can make it better. Okay, today we are continuing with our form. We were in purchase order form. So the work we left here, the change price and order date. Okay, so now we are going to put the code in order date. So you want, when we click new, then after filling this, we want this to be filled automatically, this order date to be populated automatically. Then we are going to this form here. We click this form, purchase order form. Then we are going on before insert. Okay, we are going to before update or before insert. Yeah, before insert can be better. Then we take this one. Yes, so before insert me dot order date dot value equals to now. Okay, so we have this one. Then let us save, go and make it here. So let us test this one. And if we got that a little check mark here for disabling to check for the null values, you can comment there, but I'm still finding. So let us test this one. Okay, new, then when we click this, we get this one. Okay, this is better now. So now we are going to check to put the code in change price. So in change price, we want, when we click when we have this drag here, when we click change price, we want to open another form with the same drag. Then we can change the specific drag. We can change the specific unit price drag for this drag. Okay, I have built here a form so as to save time. That's me and you. We can save time from this one, but you can make it. I have this form here. This is a form that I created, so is the normal form. Then I have this one, a little box here with this color, and I have a label here. Okay, and this label and this unit price. But this form, the record source is from our inventory T. Do you remember our inventory T? Our inventory T is this one. So this is our inventory. So we made the source record source to this table. Then we have two buttons here. Okay, we have clear text box and the save changes. Clear text box, when you click clear text box, we want this the present price will be cleared. Then you write the quantity required. Then save changes will save the changes to this specific drag. Okay, so as we are going to refer this form as it's open to our to here, to this form here. Okay, let us go. This is price edit F. Then I'll go to here. Okay, let me name this one CMD change price. Okay, now we are going on click, event on click. Okay, we are here. We can open that form. Then we do cmd dot open form. Which form? Our form is price edit edit F. Then we are going to open the form to put a where condition here. And we put and we take it this item code. So item code item code equals to and me dot item code, this one. So let us test this one. Okay, so we had this form. Okay, then let us test. So we click new, then we load our supplier here. This we have one supplier for now. Then we load the maybe this one, Animax solution. Its price is 0. Okay, so it is going to change the price. Then I will click this one. Oh no, item code is misspelled. Let us fix this one. Let us fix this one. Error is inevitable. Item code. This one. Let me see here. Item code. This one. Okay. And me do it. Then let us check for our price edit. This one. Okay, me dot this one, and this one is this one. Okay, so now what I see here, price edit item code, then me dot item code. What this price when the item code is equal to me dot item code. Okay, I do this one. Let's test this one. Let's see if we can make something here. Okay, this one here, item code here now is misspelled again. Okay, let us do again. Close. So error is inevitable. Let I fix the error here. Item code. Yes, we take this one. Yep. So now new here, load supplier, then FACO, change price. Here we have the same drag with the same price, but this here is 0. So now we have completed of referring this data to another form. So now let us check for this two text box here for this form. Let me close this one. Then I will click here. Then I check the name of this this text box is unity price. Then I check here in code. Then we put this code here. me.unity price is equal to clear. Okay, so you can put an empty string, then me.unity price dot set focus. Then we set focus as that text box. Okay, then on save, we go to save changes. Then we save changes, do cmd dot save as default. Okay, now you are clear. Now let us go and test your code here. So we open up purchase order. then we new go here, select drag. This one has no price, Epimax cream, change the price, then you put here 500, then we save changes, then we click. Then when you load this one Epimax again, when you load Epimax cream, this one, what the hell is going in here? Epimax cream, not this one, not this one. What the hell? Let us see if the change is made to our inventory here. Epimax cream, the change made, but Epimax cream 400 gram. Let us see. Let's see here. Epimax cream, this one. So we have problem here now. Let us check the unit price. We have mistaken here now. Let us check for the unit price. Okay. Here, do you recognize this error? From the start we are going with this error, unit price, but this is buying price. Okay, the buying price. Okay, so we forgot to put unit price here, but you can change and you can make it for your database. Put unit price, unit price. Yeah, let me change here. Unit price, this one. Then sorry, come here and check again the new. Okay, this one, Epimax, then 100 gram, 400 gram. Then you see what I don't know what the hell this one. Let's see for this query. Let's check for this query. So we have inventory, unit price. Okay, we have taken a unit price for this one for purchase order details, but we want the unit price from inventory. Okay, let me put this one. Then I will save this one. Then I'll come here and make the unit price from this one. Okay, that's clear now. Let's go. Yep. Load Epimax, maybe Epimax 400. Then boom, this one, unit price, this one. So let us load another one in Facro. See this one, let's change this 600, save changes, clear. Then when you load the Infacro again, you got this one. So anyone, I want you to do some tests, because here we are running now. And me also, I'm learning. I'm not a pro and such, but I'm learning. So we want to refer the refresh of this one. When we change the price after closing this one, maybe let me show you an example here. When I'm changing this price here, like here, when I put 400, then when I click save and when I exit this one, I want here a unit price to be updated. automatically. So that is the challenge. Make it, and I will find it to my own to see if I can make it. Okay, this is we are now remaining with invoice short. Here we have invoice short, but for now almost this form is done, but we have some issues, small issues, but these issues we will be clearing these depths, like invoice short and others. So when we have functionalities related to each others, so we will be loading to this form again, like I said earlier, to the purchase, to the series order form. So now I will leave this invoices for now. There is a tutorial for that invoices. Let me leave this one for now. Then we are going to make another form. Yeah, okay. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. My name is CGDH6. Ciao.